Hi everyone. Okay, so I got my Juki Junkies order in for the month. Let's see what we got. And I don't know when the end when the end is, honestly. So we usually get a cabochon, and that is a snowflake. So we have, oh gosh, I need my glasses. Let's see. Stone. I thought that we already got stone. So I'm gonna have to, I want to make sure that I stop before I get doubles, because I do not need doubles at all. This one's auburn, and this one is dolphin. Pretty. Okay, then we have jubilee and ruby and sand dune. Let me put you up here. They're pretty, huh? I'm pretty sure I don't have these. I just don't know how many colors we're supposed to get before it ends. Wine and evergreen. Because they're part of the Bear Creek quilting subscription with the Moda Grunge. And that's 18 months. So 18 months you'll have every single one they've made. Burnt orange and reef. Pretty, pretty. Is anyone else part of this subscription? Have you gotten any subscriptions from them? Do you have a Juki? Do you love your Juki? I love my Jukis. I love my Jukis, you guys. I love, love, love them. They are amazing, amazing machines. Workhorses, oh, just amazing. I love them. We had a retreat this weekend with my mom, and I put her through everything, and she loved it. So it was great. My Juki, not my mom. All right, guys. Happy New Year. Take care. We'll see y'all later. Bye.